4 sector of foundation that we worked. Planetarium, Graha Bakshi Budia, Gallery Annex, and Theater. More than 500 board piles with 801,000 diameter. And almost 500 number secant pile, hard-to-hard concrete piles. We also had installation of Kingpost method. And many method of pile testing like Kentledge, PIP, PDA, code and test. Every morning we conduct health and safety meeting, to make sure we have zero accident at work site and also prevention from COVID-19. Contact us for bore pile and secant pile foundation, and make sure you have the lowest price with high quality works. Stay safe and stay healthy.